Hey, this is Patrick with 247tablets.com. Today I've got a quick demo of a super cool new Android app called Swaps. That's SWAPPS. It is a side launcher and super fast app switcher. One very cool feature of it is that you do not need to return to the home screen to invoke the Swaps bar. You can invoke it from within any app on your device as well. So my Galaxy Note 2, I can just tap for a moment on the left side of the screen, and you can set that where you like. You can put it on the right side, left side, etc. I like the defaults. You tap, it pulls up the bar. You tap and swipe, I should say. Pulls up the bar, and it has three sections. The starred section is where you can put some of your favorite apps, or most frequently used apps. I've got 4 of them here: the Keep and Draft Notes apps, Wunderlist for task management, Lose It for tracking food and exercise each day. You can have between 0 and 100 starred apps, by the way. 100 obviously is completely crazy, but it is available in the settings for the app. Second section in this bar is recently used, just the typical recently used. You can swap back to an app you were just using a moment ago. Here we can see that the bar is available from within that app as well. And the third section, is all apps, which is basically the equivalent of the app drawer, although in the pro or unlocked version of Swaps, you can also choose to hide some of the apps in the all apps listing. So for instance, you may be able to see on the left here, there are 2 AT&T apps, and I've chosen to hide another 3 or 4 AT&T apps, which are in the standard app drawer, that I don't really want to see. Now, there's also a pro version of Swaps, and the benefits of the pro version are that you get no ads. You can also add widgets to the starred section as well as apps. You can remove app names in the Swaps bar, so you could just see the icons if you want to, rather than the name of the app as well. And there's just more customization options, things like colors of the background for this bar, colors of the text, the width and height, adjustment of the bar, and so forth. I'm pretty happy with the default, but I did upgrade to the Pro version. The Pro version costs $2.60 in the Play Store. So for instance, if I want to choose to get rid of the app names text in the Swaps bar, I can do that, and as you can see, then I can also choose to make that bar substantially narrower there on the left-hand side. I think this looks kind of nice. I'm not sure. I only just made this change, so maybe it won't grow on me, or maybe it will, but I think that's quite a nice option to be able to make this bar quite a bit slimmer and to remove the app names if you don't particularly want them there. You can see that it's kind of chopping off the recently used the used word in the recently used section, but I think kind of who cares about that. If you prefer to have this thinner strip, then I think that'll work nicely. But once again, this app is called Swaps, SWAPPS. It's a side launcher and super fast app switcher. I'm really impressed with it and highly recommend it. Hope you're all having a great weekend.